Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Ajiladi from class A. Okay. Now I will finish it my assignment from semantic and pragmatics lecture. The material is coordinator and implicator. Well, first of all, before I started, I will introduce the implicator and cooperative. Implicator and cooperative is one of the material in our daily life. A speaker and listener involved in conversation or general cooperating with each other. In other words, when people are talking with each other, they must try to converse smoothly and successfully in accepting speakers. Preposition: listener have to assume the speaker is not trying, one in which people having a conversation are not normally assumed to be trying to confuse, trick, or without relevant information from one another. Okay, well, the second material is cooperative principle. In conversation analysis, the cooperative principle is the assumption that participants in a conversation normally attempt to be informative, truthful, relevant, and clear. The concept was introduced by philosopher Paul Gris in his 1975 article Logic and Conversation, in which argued that talk exchange were not normally a succession of they were. Grace suggested instead that meaningful dialogue is characterized by cooperation. Each participant recognizes in them to some extent common purpose or set of purpose, or at least mutually accepted direction. Well, implicator. The basic assumption in conversation is that unless otherwise indicated, the participants are adhering to the cooperative principle and their maxim. Implicator is known to conditional aspect of speaker, meaning the reception part of what it means in a speaker's interest without being part of what is said. Maxim floating are two closely interested terms central to Oxford language philosophy. H. Paul Craig famous theory in the cooperative principle, which first emerged in the William James lecture, which Gris delivered at Harvard University in 1967. Lin's project was to try to reduce the number of meanings for lexical items, and he did this by postulating a new separate type of non-semantic meaning, which he called implicator. Okay, the last is H. H is a word plus used in sentence to express ambiguity, probability, caution, or indecisiveness about the remainder of the sentence rather than full accuracy, certainly, confidence, or definiteness. Higgins can also allow speaker and writer to introduce ambiguity in meaning and typical as a category number. Higgins in category membership is used in reference to the prototype theory, signify the extent to which items are typical or typical numbers of different category. Higers might be used in writing to imply harsh critique or organization, or in speaking to lessen the impact of an utterance due to politeness constraint between a speaker and addresses. Well, uh, I think this enough from cooperative and implicator. Thank you very much. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.